Hello, this is the command for finding Z transform of 1. Here we have to define system n. N is the independent variable and transformation variable is Z. Here f equal to 1 to the power n. We can define 1 as n to the power 0 also. Here we have to write on then n cap 0. Then Z transform of m. Now I copy this command and paste in the command window and run this program. Then we enter the key, we get the answer as z upon z minus of 1. Similarly, we can find out the z transform of 1 minus 1 to the power n. For this, we have to write down here use the bracket minus sign and then bracket complete. Here I copy this command and run in command window. We get the result as z upon z plus 1. In this way, we can find out the z transform of 1 to the power n and minus 1 to the power n.